So far, Claude has answered you in words, but it can also build real working little tools right inside your chat. No coding, just plain English, right here in the Windows 11 app. The feature is called Artifacts. Ask Claude for something interactive like a calculator or a tracker, and instead of dumping out code, it builds the actual working thing right there in your conversation. Let's make one together. I'll start a fresh chat and just describe what I want in plain words, no special commands, no setup. Here's my request. I'll type, build me a simple tip calculator. That's the whole thing. Then I press enter, give it a few seconds, Claude thinks, and then the calculator appears right here in the chat. Not a picture of one, a real live tool you can use. Let's actually use it. I'll type in a bill amount and pick a tip percentage, and the total updates instantly right in front of you. Here's the best part. If you want it different, you just ask. I'll say, give it a bold blue theme and bigger buttons. Claude rebuilds the very same tool live. And look at that, the whole thing restyled, blue and bigger, just from that one sentence. You described a tool, Claude built it, then changed it, without you writing a single line of code. That's Artifacts. Describe what you want, and Claude builds a working tool right inside your chat. This is Zero to Claude, episode 5 on Windows 11. Tomorrow, skills, teaching Claude brand new abilities. Subscribe and build your skills a few minutes a day.